Okay, this is the 4th of July. Okay, I'm sitting here with Iman, Roosevelt Davis, who just smells so good, and we are making incense pulps, sticks, incense sticks. And I'm gonna show you a technique. I use a 1 pound of fragrance oil, and I use about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 puffs.
Daddy, there's a bee.
What?
Right there.
Okay. Is he coming after us?
Yes, sir.
That's a wasp. Get him on. Get him on. Tell your mom don't open the door.
Mama!
Hey, get him on. Why are you in here?
Mommy?
Don't open the door. Don't open the door! Y'all got the live video right here. I'm trying to get this. I don't know why this wasp in here. Why I'm doing this tutorial about the incense stick. So here goes some pulps. Here go the wasps in my garage, flying around on the 4th of July, and I'm gonna have to kill him. I'm gonna have to kill him. So he better get out of here fast enough before I get him, because he is lost. Don't open the door! Yeah, please. I tell you, some people. Whoa! Come on out of here, Wasp. I don't know why you come in here. I'm gonna have to do this video back over. Good grief. Grant to knock everything down. This ain't gonna work, y'all.